Ready to effortlessly conquer those tricky statistics problems? Meet ShinStats. Picture having a personal statistics wizard in your pocket, leading you step by step through the toughest questions. Hey Nixers! Ever encountered challenges when computing marginal probabilities? Today, we're about to unravel that mystery. Join me as we calculate the marginal probabilities from a given contingency table. All right, Nixers, got a question for you. Now let's proceed to the calculator and crunch the numbers. Begin by launching the app. Head to the menu bar and click on it. And here's a quick pro tip. To make things even easier, use the search bar. Just type marginal, and it will lead you straight to the calculator. On the calculator's landing page, we will be asked to input the number of rows and the number of columns associated with the contingency table. In consideration of the given table below, that has 3 political parties composed of Democrat, Republican, and Independent, and 2 genders, namely male or female, we input a 3-row by 2-column contingency table. Moving on, we populate the contingency table with the corresponding column and row names, then proceed with providing the values. Remember, accuracy is the key. The app's magic works best with precise data. Now, we're ready to unleash the statistical wizardry and proceed with the calculation of the required probability. With everything set, we now click Calculate and wait for the app to do its magic. Interested in downloading the app? Link in my bio. All right, Nixers, let's delve into the step-by-step solution. We'll walk through each phase, providing a sneak peek into what the calculator churns out. In step 1, we calculate the corresponding row and column totals of the given contingency table. For example, in the first row, we see that the values are 20 and 22 respectively. It follows that the first row total will be 20 plus 22, which is equal to 42. Similarly, in the first column, we see that the values are 20, 21, and 19 respectively. Therefore, the first column total will be 20 plus 21 plus 19, which is equal to 60. We do the same operation for the next succeeding rows and columns. It is also important to note the grand total located at the bottom right corner of the modified contingency table. In this case, the grand total is equal to 130, which represents the total number of respondents to the survey. In step 2, we now calculate the corresponding marginal probabilities. Basically, we divide the corresponding row and column totals of the various categories by the grand total. For example, for the probability that a random respondent is a Democrat, we can observe that the row total associated with the category Democrat is equal to 42. We divide this value by the grand total of 130, giving us the required probability equal to 0.3231. Notice that in each of these calculations, the numerators that are used to calculate the probabilities are mostly the row totals and column totals that are found in the last row and last column of the modified contingency table. In other words, the values are found along the margins or boundaries of the modified contingency table. Can I interest you in an opportunity? Leverage our handy calculator to guide you to further understand these calculations. For an added twist, compare your own calculations to the generated solutions to facilitate a thorough cross-check. Drop your answer in the comments. Your input is the key to knowing if we're making a real impact. Let us hear your thoughts. Did those results light up a spark of curiosity in your mind? Show some love with a double tap or hit that like button. If you're itching for more data-driven excitement, click the link in my bio to download the app from the Google Play Store. A heartfelt thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. See you on the next one. Follow for more.